So good evening. Welcome
Good,
to
eve-
the session.
good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing great and I was waiting for the session, and when you told me, so I was in Mandir. So I was not able to be at time.
Okay. Yes, actually, um, at that time when I was free, you were not available at that time. So this kind of issue, we always face these kind of issues. So today we got time. So I am happy that today we connected with each other.
Yes, me too. And have you had dinner?
Yes, I had my dinner and around 9 p.m. I'm almost totally free. And after that, I take session. If someone wants to take session at this time, then I take session at night as well.
So in a whole day, how many sessions do you take?
Today I took, this is my third session with you. In the morning time, I took two sessions, and this is my third session. But it's not like that. I am daily taking three sessions. It depends on my free time. Whenever I get free time, I take sessions. Sometime I take only one session, sometime two, sometime three. So it depends on my free time.
So okay, so we are meeting very first time. So let's introduce first. Could you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. As you know, my name is Shilpa, and I hail from Himachal Pradesh, but currently living in Punjab. I have done masters in biotechnology and BTech, and for the 3 years I took online classes for science subject. But now I'm learning English because I was weak in the speaking part. So I thought I have to learn this language. So I created my YouTube channel. So now I'm doing YouTube, and along with it, I'm learning English. This is all about me.
So it's lovely to hear. So are you taking class, online class for a subject science?
I
Uh,
used to take, but currently I'm not taking. I used to take 3 years back in the COVID time. When pandemic came, I started conducting, I started taking online tuitions for science and bio subject from 6th to 12th class. And I did these classes for 3 years continuously. But after that, now I'm not doing any class because I created interest to do something online, like on YouTube. So now I'm doing it.
so you can start on YouTube taking class science because there are a lot of students, they are not able to pay the fee of tuition, so they can get the knowledge free of cost, and it's better to you as well as the students.
Yes, actually, I created my YouTube channel. When I first time created my YouTube channel, I was uploading videos to related to science subject, but it was not going well. So I got very, demotivated that I'm creating videos, I'm creating lectures of science and bio, and it took a lot of hard work because you create lectures online. So I got demotivated. Then I started learning English. So I thought, why should not go for English on YouTube? Because nowadays English is trending and everyone wants to learn this language. So I started uploading videos of English. And when I started uploaded these kind of videos, um, I got many subscribers and people were liking my videos. Since then, I have been uploading videos related to English.
Okay, so now you are busy with English completely because uploading video, having sessions, and practice on English. I think you are busy totally with English because I relate to this with me. Because I am also busy with English. Like some whenever I don't have time to practice more, so I feel not happy, like I did not do some creative. So yeah, if you, I only give you a suggestion that if you want to start your science academy also, so and in the starting you have to focus on the short videos, because long video doesn't go, doesn't show the result good. And if you upload short video, it will grow, and very soon you will feel motivated, and you start your own channel on the subject, science subject, because YouTube takes time to grow. If once you grow on YouTube, you will be motivated.
Yes, I agree with you 100%. But you know what's happening? Are you a YouTuber? I want to know. Are you doing YouTube?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you know that it takes too much time to upload videos, edit video. So now, first, I'm focusing on my English communication and English channel. Sometimes I think of it that because I have a great interest in science, because as a science tutor, I wanted to upload videos, but you know, it will take a lot of hard work, lot of time, and I am a mother of a kid, and I have to manage a whole things at home.
Yes,
So I feel like I will feel pressure if I will create two channels
two channel. Yes.
at time. So it will not good for me. But yes, in future, if I will got success on this channel, then definitely I will think of to the another channel.
Yeah, same with me. Yeah, I have kids also, and I'm a YouTuber. So, and I am a learning of this language. So, I feel also I don't have much more time that I can do all of thing as a particular time. So, and I am in master in math. I want to upload. I want to create my math channel for math. So, and I was thinking I will do, but I don't have time to create other channel. So I also think that once I will be master in English, then I will start, because uh, according to me, for math, i don't I don't need to learn anything. And same with you don't need to learn in science. Okay, and English, we have to learn so many things and practice with that, and make conversations, and uploading that video, so it's take time. So nowadays uh, running off time.
Yes, you are right. Okay, before going ahead, I want to know about you. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, of course. uh, I am Kalpana. I'm hailing from Noida extension. If I talk about my qualification, I have done MA, BA, and qualified CTET, UPTET, primary and upper primary. I have a 5-year experience in teaching. Now I am a tutor and learner of English language. I run a YouTube channel, which I upload my conversation videos, like we are interacting. And along with that, I am a homemaker. That's all about me.
Okay, okay, that's really great. So, you said that you are a tutor. So, what do you teach?
I teach third to eighth standard, and third to fifth I teach all subject, and sixth to eighth I teach math and science.
Okay, so
So
you are taking home tuition.
yeah, home tuition.
Okay, that's really great that you are taking home tuitions. Because I feel that when you stop teaching, you will forget everything because
Yes.
uh, it ha I I
Mhm.
I taught students for 3 years online, and I was teaching 6th to 10th class student science and 11th 12th bio, and I was also preparing for NEET, 11th 12th bio. But now I'm totally blank because it has been 2 years and I have been not teaching to them. So now I'm totally blank.
Yeah, it's related to student. Like when we teach students, so we not only teach student as well as we learn and keep
Yes,
our mind, and we disconnect the subject, we disconnect the education. So our mind get forgetting. So, and like a student, if the students do not revise, so they also forget. So this kind is happening with us.
yes, yes. And now I feel like that I did hard work for 3 years. I was tutoring all students from 6th to 12th class, and now I forget everything. So that's why now I was thinking that I will create a YouTube channel where I will teach science. But still, I feel very pressurized that I'm doing YouTube for English, and along with it, I can't manage it. But definitely in future, when I will get some free time, so I will definitely going to think of it that I will create some videos related to science and bio.